Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. The phone number here at the dealership is 352-694-1234, and we're centrally located at 2261 Southwest College Road here in Ocala. Just a quick moment to highlight a fresh arrival. This is a 2014 Cadillac SRX. Has just 59,000 miles on it, which is probably about 40,000 miles below the national average. It was driven about 7,300 miles a year, smoke-free cabin, very nice contemporary body style, of a dove gray leather interior. Steering wheel controls and air conditioning is ice cold. Has that real big sky view, front rear roof. See, it just turned 59,000 miles on it. Michelin radials, has a 6-cylinder, 3.6 liter 6-cylinder, 10 service records, 59,000 miles. Cadillac SRX here at Prestige Auto Sales. Fresh arrival, just wanted to take a quick 90 seconds to let you take a quick peek. Phone number here at the dealership is 352-694-1234. Every day at Prestige, we make it easy and affordable for our neighbors to own nicer, newer cars, trucks, SUVs, and Cadillac SRXs. Thanks. We'll see you at the store.